Hey, hi, how are you today?
Yes, we are those guys from St. John International School.
And today, we'll be doing some experiments.
Yes, for the first experiment we are doing a double displacement reaction, which is golden ray. For the second reaction that we are doing a dehydration reaction, which is the Pharaoh Snake.
We'll also be exploring Newton's law-defying substance, Oobleck. And finally, we'll use our solar oven. Yeah, so let's get into that. So here we have some water, hydrochloric acid, some lead nitrate,
and some potassium iodide.
Now we will pour it into the water and then mix it together. Now we'll add some hydrochloric acid into it. And we'll pour it into the tomato flask.
Here is where the magic happens.
As you can see, the color of the liquid is now yellow. Now we'll add some hot water to it. Now we'll let the liquid cool down to form the precipitate. And as you can see, the golden flakes did form.
This golden glitter-ish precipitate that you are seeing right now, it is the result of lead iodide. And the colors liquid that you can see through right now, which is not really right now, is a result of potassium nitrate.
So now we'll be doing the Pharaoh Snake.
Yes, here we got sucrose, which is in common term sugar, and here a very dangerous acid called sulfuric acid. Today we are going to mix these two chemicals together and we will form the Pharaoh Snake. Sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent. It removes water molecule from the sugar, as seen earlier in the video. As a loss of water molecule, H2O, sugar is left with only carbon, the black substance. That two hydrogens from sulfuric acid is gone to bind with sugar to dehydrate it. The reason why its volume increases so much is because as the water molecules escape as water vapor, some of it is trapped in the carbon, making holes in it, therefore increasing its volume. Like how Carbon dioxide increases the volume of the bread.
So now we'll be making some oobleck. To make it, you need cornstarch and water. As you can see, the beaker is now filled with cornstarch. We'll now slowly add water into it. Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. What does this mean? It does not behave like other fluids. So, as your movement is more vigorous, the more resistance it would have. So, it works just like quicksand. If you move slow, then there will be less resistance, as if you were moving fast. As you can see right now, my movement is very controlled because the resistance is there. Now we will pour it into our container. So now we have moved our oobleck into a container. As you can see, in thick liquid form, the non-Newtonian fluid is currently in this container. As you can see, when I place my finger into the oobleck, slowly the cornstarch molecules will allow my finger to enter and come out. This is because the molecules separate. But when I tap quickly, it does not stick on my hand because the molecules will move closer and create a barrier. And that's why it feels like a solid. As you can see, if I punch it, it will resist my punch. As you can see, it does not stick on my hand. So right now we will use our solar oven to make some cookies using the oobleck we obtained just now. Our solar oven is a pizza box covered with aluminium foil and black sugar paper. Why, Henry?
Yes. The reason that we are using aluminium foil on top and bottom is because the top aluminium foil can reflect heat and light from the sun towards the cookie, which is going to be placed on this black sugar paper. The reason that we are choosing black color is because black can actually
absorb heat, and then it will absorb the heat and light. The aluminium foil at the bottom will also distribute all the heat to the black sugar paper, therefore cooking the cookie.
Yes.
So, let's get into that. As you can see, we have currently made the cookie dough from our oobleck, and we will now proceed to heating our solar oven under the sun. As you can see, our cookie dough has now solidified. Henry, if you may pluck it out.
Yes.
It is very, very solid right now. Break it in half. It is just how a cookie should look like. If you may have a small test. I know, it's just a bit powdery. So we'll do another experiment by heating some chocolate to show that the oven does work, as the chocolate will melt. So, here.
This is a piece of chocolate in my hand. Now we'll melt this chocolate with this oven.
As you can see, under the scorching sun, our chocolate has melted. As you can see, it's currently a paste and it drizzles everywhere. This shows that our solar oven is working and melt the chocolate. Yeah, so this will be it for today. As you can see, all experiments went as how they're supposed to go. So we'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time. Peace out.